Hi, I'm Heather and welcome to Cooking with the Tacness. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade cream cheese frosting. This is really good for putting on homemade cinnamon rolls. So the first thing you do is a 1/4 cup of softened cream cheese. You can give it a little time in the microwave to soften it, or you can have it sit out at room temperature for a little while. A stick of butter, which is a 1/2 cup, also softened. An 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and you're going to cream all of this together. And then you're going to add about 1.5 cups of powdered sugar to it. So I'm going to turn this on and my dog is immediately going to start barking. We're going to put this on our cinnamon rolls that we also made, but this is really good. It's nice and mild, so it's not super sweet because it's got the cream cheese in it. So again, just like my brown sugar frosting, you can freeze this. It stays in the fridge for quite a while. It's really easy. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Have a great day.